viewers, welcome to the Learning Management System, Commissionerate of Collegiate Education, Government of Andhra Pradesh. I am Lieutenant Dr. G. Ranganathan, LMS Presenter, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government College, Autonomous, Anantapuram. In this video lesson, I am going to explain ABC analysis in cost accounting. After learning the basic concepts of material and material control, we have to learn the material controlling techniques. These material controlling techniques are put together. It is around 10 techniques are there, but whereas in our syllabus only 3 techniques have introduced. Out of these 3 techniques, in this session we are going to learn the ABC analysis. The ABC analysis learning outcomes is the students are able to understand the meaning and steps involved in ABC analysis and the management actions on ABC category items, and also this is going to be explained through some illustrations, and finally the students are going to learn the advantages of ABC analysis. This ABC analysis concept was introduced by General Electric Company in 1951, but whereas this has got the prominence in the modern business world and compared to the olden days, and nowadays each and every manufacturing enterprises and most of the other enterprises are also following this ABC analysis concept for effective management of inventory. This inventory includes raw materials, spare parts, work in progress and finished goods, all put together is called as the inventory. This inventory has to be managed properly, and optimum utilization of resources is very important for success of the organization. The main objective behind the ABC analysis is determine the level of control on a particular inventory and also to decide the frequency of review of all stores items. These are the two main objectives of the ABC analysis, and this ABC method control helps in managing the inventory effectively and efficiently by reducing cost, and this leads to the increasing of revenue. That means finally this is very helpful to the management to improve the performance of the organization by controlling the material cost, by effective management and efficient management of inventory, through that reducing the cost and increasing the revenue. Meaning of ABC analysis. This ABC analysis is popularly known as always better control, and this is also known as Walfred Pareto principle and also called as selective inventory control technique. Selective inventory control technique. This selective inventory control technique, always better control, Walfred Pareto, like this generally it's having 3 popular names. ABC analysis is the inventory categorization technique. This ABC analysis is going to decide the inventory depending upon the investment involved into that particular material. If the high investment is happening in one inventory, that is to be taken care of much, and the lower investment inventory is taken care of with the lower management control. This is based upon the principle of management by exception. What is meant by management by exception means, under the management by exception, higher level managers are going to take care of the critical areas of decision making, and lower level managers are going to take the routine and daily activities of the business. But in the same manner, the ABC, the higher level material is going to be taken by the higher level managers, and lower level inventory, low investment of inventory is going to be taken care by the lower level managers. The steps involved in ABC analysis is Determining the annual usage for each inventory item. For each inventory item, we are supposed to decide the annual usage. On the second stage, inventory items are listed in descending order, that means highest to lowest based upon the annual usage value. After arranging the descending order of the annual usage value of inventory, we need to calculate the percentage of total usage value for each item based upon the individual stock item. After this, we need to find out the average inventory. How to find out the average inventory? Average inventory is nothing but total inventory divided by 2, then we will get the average inventory. After all these steps, we need to arrange these items in the inventory by cumulative annual usage. That means adding to the each other, adding to one by one. Then we will get the cumulative annual usage, and the cumulative percentages has to be arranged in a proper manner. Afterwards, group these items as category A inventory, category B, category C. The principle or formula for the annual usage is equals to unit cost of the item multiplied with annual usage quantity. That is nothing but price per unit multiplied with annual usage quantity. Then you will get the annual usage. Illustration for ABC analysis. We can observe over here, there are three categories of inventories are shown over here, A, B, C. Number of items is 200, A, B 200, number of items C 600, total put together 1000 units. On 1000 units, then we need to calculate the percentage of each item. How you will going to calculate the percentage? 200 units of A divided by the total units of 1000 into 100, you will get the 20%. 20%. Like this, here also we will get the 20%. Here also we will get 60%, because here 600 units out of 1000 units. This is equivalent to 100%. And the value of the 200 units is 80,000. Value of the 200 units of B is 10,000 units. Value of the 600 units of C is 10,000. Then based upon this, we can find out the each unit value. Like you can take the total value, that is 80,000 divided by 200 units of A. Two zeros cancel, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. That means 400 units, 400 rupees of one unit, that means 400 rupees into 200 units of A material, then we will get the 80,000. Like this, we have to have the B 10,000 rupees, C 10,000 rupees, all put together 1 lakh. This is the value. Then we need to find out the percentage of total value. The total value out of 100%, 80% of the value of A, that means 80,000 divided by 1 lakh. 80,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100, we'll get the 80%. Like that, 10%, 10%, total put together 100%. This is the way we need to calculate the ABC analysis. And after calculation of the ABC analysis, that is to be shown into the graphical presentation through graph. This is ABC analysis chart. ABC analysis chart. ABC analysis chart. Here if you observe, 20% of A items, A material is occupied 80% of the value. That means here the value. Y-axis is showing the percentage of total usage value. X-axis is showing percentage of total items. A is showing 20%, B is showing 20%, A 20% plus B 20% all put together. That's what we have explained in the steps, cumulative value and cumulative percentages. So here B items is placing 20% in items, 10% in value. Only this 10% value on y-axis and 20% on x-axis, this is also 20% on items, but 80% the value. 80% plus 10%, it is going to be 90% put together A and B. In respect of items, A is occupied 20% and B is occupied 20%, both together 40% cumulative. And remaining 60% of the quantity occupied by C items, 60% quantity, that is items, and only 10% of value. Here you can observe 10% from between 90% to 100%, it is only 10% occupied by C items, whereas from 40% to 100%, the quantity of C items is occupied. That means here less number of quantity and more number of high value is having by the A category of inventory, and B category of inventory is having 20% of the value and 10% of the value and 20% of the quantity. That means this is moderate. And C items that is quantity is more but value is very less. Hence the A inventory is given much care and control and importance, and this A inventory is taken care of by the higher level management as per the principle of management by exception. This is about ABC analysis with explanation by using the graphical presentation in the given chart. This management actions on ABC inventory items. What are the management is going to take the actions with respect to the A, B and C category of inventory items? Management. What type of management is looking after A category, B category and C category? Top level management is taking care of A category, middle level management is taking care of B category, and lower level management is taking care of C category with respect to management. Control. On A category material, the strict control is going to taken place, whereas in case of B, it is going to be moderate strict. In case of C, strict is very low. Review. A category material is reviewed very frequently because reason is costly item, so we have to take care, and that is the reason why we need to very frequently review the A category material, and B category material is reviewed moderately, and C category material is reviewed by routinely lower level managers. Consumption value. A category material consumed very high. That means inventory turnover ratio is going to be very high for A category material, and in case of B category, the consumption value is medium. For the C category, it is going to be low. Purchase. When it is going to be used, that means the consumption is very high, purchase is going to be frequent. Continuously we need to buy because the consumption value is very high. It is necessary to purchase more and more frequently. We need to purchase the A category material. Whereas in the case of B category, when it is less frequent when it compared to A. And in case of C, very less frequent when it compared to A and B category. These are the management actions, management steps on ABC inventory items. After knowing this ABC through the graphical presentation and illustration and management actions, meaning and objectives of the ABC analysis, after knowing all these things, for the student it is very easy to know the advantages of inventory controlling technique, that is nothing but ABC analysis. What are the advantages of ABC analysis? Effective control on costly items. This is following the principle of management by exception. Because of this, it ensures effective control on costly items, that is A category items, which requires large investment. Wherever the large investment required, it is necessary effective control on that particular items because it is very costly items and it saves time and cost. This is also comes under management by exception. When we are following management by exception principle, that is ABC analysis is also followed the management by exception principle. Due to the ABC analysis, we can save our time and cost by exercising economic systems of control over low value items, that is C category items. We are not going to spend much time and cost on C category inventory items. It saves our time and cost. Optimum investment. This ABC analysis ensures optimum investment in inventory by considering operational requirements of financial resources. Exact requirement, what is our requirement, that is to be decided based upon the this ABC analysis. So based upon ABC analysis, when we are deciding our requirement, it is very easy to invest and plan for our financial resources. That gives us optimum investment. And another one is minimum total cost. When we are following ABC analysis and economic ordering quantity of material control techniques, our total cost is going to be minimum. Why? Because the reason is ordering cost and carrying cost are going to be reduced when we are following ABC analysis and UOQ analysis for the material controlling techniques, and also helps in financial forecasting and planning. This technique helps financial forecasting for the materials and for the material planning also it will very helpful for us. Helps in maintenance of high inventory turnover ratio rate. This ABC analysis is categorizing the ABC inventory. Due to that, we can maintain the high inventory turnover ratio in case of high investment value material like A category investment, A category inventory. We are going to need to purchase more and more, and because it is going to be consumed very high, hence the inventory turnover rate is going to be high. Because of ABC analysis, we will maintain the high inventory turnover rate. These are the advantages of ABC analysis. Students, what we have learned in this chapter is, after knowing the material and the material control, we need to know the material controlling techniques. In material controlling techniques, we have learned today in this session ABC analysis. This ABC analysis meaning, and the ABC analysis is first which company has introduced and who has invented this ABC analysis, and this ABC analysis is developed based upon what principle, that is nothing but management by exception. And also the ABC analysis has explained by through some example by using some values and graphical representation of data, and finally we learned the advantages of ABC analysis. Thank you.